The collapse of a top 20 bank in the USA is all the rage in financial news now. It is the largest bank failure since the global financial crisis or the Great Recession. Silicon Valley Bank, one of the leading lenders to the tech sector, was shut down by U.S. regulators on the 10th of March 2023, Friday. It was no longer viable due to concerns about its solvency. It sparked fears that other banks may be at risk of failure and a greater market sell-off in banking stocks. Silicon Valley Bank was the 16th largest bank in the USA. Its clients included Airbnb, Cisco, Fitbit, Pinterest, and Square. The bank had to raise $2 billion to strengthen its balance sheet after suffering huge losses due to slowdown in tech sector. It also had to deal with more clients pulling out their deposits. It also admitted that the securities, including long-duration bonds, it held had lost value as a result of higher interest rates. Then, its shares saw a massive sell-off. The bank had been unable to raise the cash it had been hoping to obtain. It was looking for a buyer as deposit outflows accelerated. Then, the U.S. banking regulators announced they were taking over the bank's deposits and putting the bank into receivership. This is the second largest bank failure in U.S. history, second to the collapse of Washington Mutual in September 2008. There is now fear of contagion, which explains the huge declines in the prices of bank stocks. Will the fear strengthen? Will stock prices of DBS, OCBC, and UOB continue to decline? Well, remember that the market can stay irrational longer than we can stay solvent. What is more pertinent to consider now is the higher probability of a recession in the USA. Many companies which banked with Silicon Valley Bank are now facing a payroll crisis, because the FDIC is authorized to release only insured deposits of up to $250,000. It means a greater risk of unemployment for many people. Singapore is a very open economy, and it would be naive to think that we would not suffer some collateral damage if major economies in the world do poorly. Still, we cannot predict what will happen, but we can certainly prepare. Eat crusty bread with ink slowly for peace of mind. Relevant link in the description below.